In this video, we are going to see how we can use error level command in our batch scripting. So I'm on the console and let's see that I'm just executing one command called dir directory, and this command executed successfully. Okay, and after that, if I use %sign and error level and then again %sign, then it's giving me a number called 0. Okay, just forget about this whole string. It's giving me output in a 0 number. So 0 means the previous command which you have executed, it's worked successfully. Okay, it's executed successfully, it's not giving any error. So let's take an example that for example you want to switch to some directory, and I'm just giving some random path over here which is not exists, and it's just giving the system cannot find the path specified. It means that this particular command did not run successfully, or it's not executed successfully. Okay, so in this case, if I use error level in $sign, just misspell this spelling. Yeah, so it's just giving me some random number 9009. Or if I'm just using some kind of command over here, this random command which is not exist, and if I use error level again, then it's giving me some random number. So different type of error have a different number in bash scripting, but you don't need to recognize, or you don't need to understand all kind of error numbers. In this case, what you need to just focus on, if you are running some command and after that if you are just taking an output of error level, you just make sure that you are getting 0 number. So 0 number means the previous command is executed successfully without any error, and if you are not getting 0 number, it means that the previous command which you have entered is not executed successfully. There was issue with that command, or some issue with the output, something like that. So that command is actually failed. Okay, so we'll take an example that how you can actually use error level in your actual batch scripting. So I'm just giving you a normal or simple example with if statement. You can actually use error level in different kind of statement also. Even you can use that in loop also. So let me go ahead and write echo off, and then what I'm trying to do here is I'm just giving a prompt to end user to enter a specific path, and then my script will check whether that path is available or not, and if it is not available, then it should give me an error. So here I'm just using /p to give a prompt, and using a variable called folder path equal to enter folder path. Okay, I'm just giving 2 extra spaces. Then I want to change that change directory to that particular folder path. So I'm just using cd, and in $sign I am just using that variable called folder path, and then I'm using if statement, and here I just want to use error level. Okay, so if error level is equal to 0, it means that that folder path is correct. Okay, so I'm just giving one echo message here, you have entered correct path. Okay, and if it is not equal to 0, then it should give error message, or it should give you echo message. So that message is echo you have entered wrong path. Okay, so here first script will ask user to enter folder path. So after user is entering folder path, it will store that folder path in folder path variable. Then it will try to change the directory to that target folder path, and if it is failed, then it will log that particular error in error level command. So we are just using if statement here to identify whether error level is equal to 0 or not. So I'm just focusing here that our error level should be a 0. So if it is a 0, then it means that our previous command, which is nothing but line number 4 cd, is executed successfully. So our error level is not 0. It means that this command is failed, and it's actually mean that the actual folder path which is provided by user is not the valid one. So let me save this, and I'm calling that over here. So it's asking enter folder path, and I'm just giving c/temp, and it's giving you a message that you have entered the correct path. Okay, because this is the folder is available in my C directory. So let me switch back to my bash script folder, and I'm running this command, this file once again, and now I'm just providing a wrong path. So I'm just using c temp and some random path which is actually does not exist, and here you can say it's giving me error that you have entered a wrong path. So if the error level is not equal to 0, it means that our previous command, which is nothing but line number 4, are not executed perfectly or successfully. There is some error in that command, and that's why it's jumped to the else statement and it's executed this particular statement. You have entered wrong path. So this is how you can actually use error level. This is just a simple example. Just go ahead and explore that error level in different kind of method and forms. Even you can use that in a loop, and check how you can use this error level to make your bash scripting more powerful.